Hold on to your lederhosen, cause we're squatching in Leavenworth.
So we just drove up to Leavenworth today, and it's a gorgeous day. Gonna check out the Bavarian town, which is sort of German themed, and so far it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. We just showed up, but we're looking forward. We're just walking down a nice little path along the Wenatchee River. So it's a beautiful day for it. It's nice and sunny. It's nice, packed, easy for the stroller, easy for walking. Lots of bicycles on it. It's nice and shaded. Today's a really hot day, so it's nice to be able to walk through some shade.
We just found a nice spot on the river to go for a swim, so we're definitely coming back in our swimmers later and taking Lilia for a dip.
Yeah, there's lots of nice little spots where you can make it down to the river, and a nice sandy beach. The water's rocky, but the beach is pretty sandy, so it's nice. And Lilia felt the water. It's nice and warm for her, so lots of paddle boarders and people tubing and kayaking. Seems like a pretty active spot. Really nice. So we're here on day 2 of our Leavenworth adventure. So far we've been checking out the town. Obviously a lot more Bavarian than I was expecting. I knew it was, but I thought maybe there'd be sort of a fancy building or two. But it's literally, the whole place is like a Bavarian mountain town.
Even all the signs of your standard stores like Starbucks and Wells Fargo are in like a Bavarian style.
Yeah, the town's kind of nestled right in the mountains here. You can see behind us. And it's a really clean place. There's beautiful flowers hanging from every shop and every lamp post, and yeah, it's really nice. Definitely somewhere to come and enjoy. Tons of beer, as you can expect. We drank lots of Hefeweizen yesterday.
It's slightly early in the morning still, so it's fairly quiet right now. It's about 9 a.m.
Yeah.
It's mostly just people like us out with their babies or old people.
And coffees. Yeah, we're starting the day off with the other beverage of choice. And so, yeah, just enjoying the quiet streets before they get all busy with the tourists. But it's sort of a midweek. It's a Tuesday, so it won't be too bad. We're here at the Leavenworth Cheesesteak Company, mowing down some vegetarian breakfast burrito. Delicious homemade salsa, homemade hot sauce. Hot sauce here on the table. Had to keep it out of Lilia's hands, but otherwise, it's good stuff. What do you think, babe?
Delicious.
Delicious. It's another gorgeous day here in Leavenworth, and we're going for a little walk along the promenade, and we found a really nice swimming hole, didn't we? Sandy, and a nice sandy beach behind us. Crystal clear water. A little cool, but it's so hot today. It's definitely worth it. Worth the little dunk in the shockaroo, eh? Lilia did a little splashing, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Having a good time? Gonna go grab some lunch.
The Ryan House had a sweet patio overlooking the town. Leavenworth Sausage Garden had great homemade sausages made locally.
We're here at Yodel and Broth Company again, twice in 2 days.
We couldn't resist coming back to their amazing artisan broths and checking out their beer garden again. The views are fabulous from their back patio with picnic tables
and beanbag toss. It's busy out here. Everyone seems to have a dog, and they're just enjoying the beer and the view. So we're here at Tumwater Bakery. We couldn't resist the smell of the baked goods as we were walking by. Grabbing some eggs and toast before we get on the road today, and looking forward to some great coffee. We found Mrs. Anderson's lodging house on bookings.com. It was a great location, basically on the doorstep of everything. We were right near the entrance to the walking path along the water. Our room was a great size, gave us a little bit of separation, and we had our own private bathroom, which was nice. The room was clean, and the decor had definitely been updated. There was also quite a few shared areas within the building as well. Outside the back door, we actually had a little patio. It was shared, but there was no one else there. It was a perfect getaway for when Lilia was taking her naps or gone to bed. Gave us a nice view of the mountains out the back as well, which is kind of cool.
We had an amazing time in Leavenworth. Now on to the next adventure.
Hey, thanks for checking out this leg of the trip. For all the tips and tricks on living a nomadic adventure, check out lifeonroute.com. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the fun.